Welcome to our tutorial on how to utilize the Help Center on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC to access the Help Center. Step 2. Navigate to the More menu from the navigation bar. Step 3. Click on Settings and Support, and then select Help Center from the options provided. Step 4. Browse through the topics available in the Help Center and choose the one that best describes the issue you are facing. Step 5. Fill out the form with all the relevant information regarding your query or concern. Step 6. Once you have completed the form, click on the Submit button to send your request to the Twitter support team. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize the Help Center on Twitter to seek assistance and resolve any issues you may encounter while using the platform on your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to use the Help Center on Twitter using your PC. Access valuable resources and support through the Help Center to enhance your Twitter experience and address any questions or problems you may have. Stay informed and connected with the help of Twitter's support services.